Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm going to be unboxing the Canon EOS 90D, and we're also going to be comparing it to the Canon T6i. Now in this video I'm not going to go into all the specs and all the little details of what I think. I'm just going to show you what I was able to film with the T6i and then compare it to what I filmed with the Canon EOS 90D. Now I do want you to know that for the Canon T6i I was using a 18 to 55 millimeter lens. It's a standard lens that comes with the camera, but with the 90D I did use a wide lens, 10 to 22 millimeter. So just keep that in mind, so that if I were to use the wide angle on the T6i it may have been a little different, but the quality, I believe in general, when you compare it to the two different cameras, you are going to be able to see a difference when I do the tests. Okay, and here we have the body of the Canon EOS 90D, bigger than the T6i, and I really like the grip on the side. When I was holding it, it's a lot nicer. Now you can see right there's certain things that I do have to get used to with this camera, that usually is on the T6i. Okay, and here I'm throwing on the 18 to 55 millimeter lens that I initially had with my T6i on the 90D, just so I could film with the wide angle lens. And what you're seeing there is my 10 to 22 millimeter wide angle lens. Coming up are a few shots that I took comparing the two cameras with the two different lenses. I'm not going to say too much. I'm just going to show you a few clips and you can judge for yourself. Okay, I hope this video helped you see the quality difference between the Canon T6i versus the 90D. And if you wanted to get your hands on either the T6i or the 90D along with the lenses, I will be leaving links in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and until next time.